so right now we are almost there, almost done putting in the downpipe. As you can see, it's been a fight, but we get into it. Traction light is on, but not the check engine light. All right, so part 2. Okay, so we got a little bit of a leak. We're thinking that the slave cylinder has blown up because there's some difficulty going into gear. But so far, you guys want to see the downpipe. Also, I had to move this spring and this bolt from this portion of the brace, and I had to move this one back from this hole that you're looking at right here to the one that it's in right now. So all in all, it does touch the subframe slightly, but it's not that bad.